Hey everybody, my name is Sethu Raman and here's a new video where we discuss, explain and talk about Web3 stuff. In this video, we will talk about a little something called the consensus mechanism, aka the secret sauce that keeps the data synchronized among the nodes in a blockchain network. So, blockchain networks are these globally distributed networks of computational devices that can host copies of a decentralized ledger. And apparently, all these nodes and their respective ledgers hold the exact same copy of the data. So the question is, how do they do it? How do they decide on the data that should be added to the ledger? Now, since the blockchain networks boast of being decentralized, we can't have a single central authority that provides the data. And also, in order to maintain the reliability and security of the data, we can't let every node add any data that they want to the ledger. Now, in case it wasn't obvious, this is where the consensus mechanism comes in. You see, consensus mechanisms refers to the different approaches used by distributed systems in general in order to reach an agreement on a single value of data. These same mechanisms allows the nodes in a blockchain network to arrive at a single commonly agreed version of the data that gets added to the blockchain in the form of blocks. The consensus mechanisms allow the blockchain network to be truly decentralized by letting virtually any valid node to take part in the decision-making process. And while achieving consensus, these mechanisms make sure that the process remains fair and that it can arrive at a decision even in the presence of faulty or malicious participants. Multiple blockchain networks use multiple consensus algorithms in order to arrive at an agreement, and in the later videos we will discuss a few of them.